Alright, so before I get started, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box of the Evil Energy Oil Catch Can Reservoir Tank in the aluminum black finish. So it comes with about a 3-foot hose that's 3/8 inch, a bunch of fittings, O-rings, and clamps, steel wool as your air oil separator, and an air filter for pre-PCV vehicles. The CNC machine and black anodized aluminum body feels very well made, with tolerances and fitment that are nice and tight with no noticeable defects. The reservoir feels solid, weighing close to about a pound. The reservoir is sealed with an O-ring to prevent spills if the reservoir happens to overflow. Inside you'll find the dipstick for measuring your oil level, and if you unscrew the perforated cylinder, this is where you'll place the steel wool in order to help the air oil separation. Additionally included is a universal mounting bracket and a sticker in the event that you want to show off. There are 3 different sizes of fittings that are duplicated so that you'll be able to find the correct fitment for your vehicle. An O-ring is supplied for each of the fittings, which you will need to install prior to assembly. If you decide you want to use the oil filter in your setup, then you need to grab one of the middle-sized fittings and attach it to the filter. Remove the pan head bolt from the top of the oil catch can and screw in the fitting. Make sure that you have enough clearance when you decide where you will mount your reservoir. Now let's go ahead and get this installed.